Are lists thread safe? I noticed that it is often suggested to use queues with multiple threads, instead of lists and .pop. Is this because lists are not thread safe, or for some other reason?
Lists themselves are thread safe. In Python, the GIL protects against concurrent accesses to them, and other implementations take care to use a fine-grained lock or a synchronized data type for their list implementations. However, while lists themselves can't go corrupt by attempts to concurrently access, the list's data is not protected. For example, is not guaranteed to actually increase L0 by 1 if another thread does the same thing, because plus equals is not an atomic operation. Very few operations in Python are actually atomic because most of them can cause arbitrary Python code to be called. You should use queues because if you just use an unprotected list, you may get or delete the wrong item because of race conditions.
To clarify a point in Thomas's excellent answer, it should be mentioned that append is thread safe. This is because there is no concern that data being read will be in the same place once we go to write to it. The append operation does not read data, it only writes data to the list.
Here's a comprehensive yet non-exhaustive list of examples of list operations and whether or not they are thread safe. Hoping to get an answer regarding the obj and a_list language construct here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.